to another video. Now I'm on old Ray J in the building. Let me make sure I got my keys, y'all. Now I'm on old Ray J in the building. So today we're gonna do a little vlog for y'all. We're gonna head to Ikea today in Spain, and I'm gonna show y'all what Ikea look like in Spain. But before I go, let me take these glasses off. Let me show y'all the fit of the day. Little Nike freak hat. No Diddy. Kodak shirt from what, Zara? No, Zara. Is it Zara in America? No, H&M in America. Yeah, little camo jeans. Then some, some tan dunks. Nothing too crazy. And then my favorite chain, which is my high school championship ring. Then some random glasses I bought somewhere in Spain. But maybe I get some pictures and show y'all. But yeah, we about to go ahead and hit this roll, and we're gonna pick up my boy Mertz. We're gonna pick up TC, and we're gonna head to Ikea, and I'm gonna show y'all some Spanish Ikea. I'm gonna pick up some stuff for the crib, and we just gonna go from there, y'all. Much love to y'all. Be safe, and you already know. Make sure you tell your family that you love them. I'll see y'all in a second. All right, y'all. Welcome to Now on Raid. I already did the intro. We're in Ikea in Spain right now with TC, Merch. Yeah, we're in Ikea right now. The Spanish Ikea at that. We go up the stairs, then we get a basket.
Just one, huh?
No, I think they have actual carts up there too. I don't know. We go up there too though. But yeah, yeah. Shit, me too.
I heard she was saying she's like it's priced good. She's like it's priced to where like they can afford it too, but it's good quality.
Some of it is, some of it isn't. But you'll be able to kind of tell like, okay, all right, this shit kind of ass. You know what I mean? But you can just base it off really and truly your opinion. I think I'm gonna grab one of these carts right here. Ain't this some shit? I ain't got no kids. Nah, I think we can find some more. Did y'all want to get food, or y'all just want to go straight looking? All right, shit, yeah. All right, cool, bet. Huh? Right there to the right. Huh? I kind of fuck with them pillows a little bit. It'd be good on a all white bed or something.
Yeah.
Where they'll like pop.
Definitely.
Alright, y'all, we in this Spanish breakfast. I'm gonna give y'all my rating. You know what this shit called?
Tortilla? Patata or something?
It's just like potatoes and eggs and shit. Tastes like a fucked up mushy hash brown, honestly. It's not bad though.
You need a little salt.
You need some salt, you need some pepper,
Yeah.
some ketchup.
No.
Yeah, something. I'll give it a 4.
Out of 5.
Out of 10. What'd you give it, Merch?
Like a 3.
A 3? Damn. But I'm gonna eat it though. It's kind of like what your mama say. If I pay for it, you gonna eat every bit of it. And we got an undercooked ass hot dog.
The hot dog's not bad when you mix it with this.
Here, y'all take a bite. Alright. My bad, I ain't mean to put meat in y'all face.
Zesty, bro. Well, that's zesty.
Nah, that would be. I should have did that first. Damn.
You like that, huh?
It's a boing boing.
I was so sad, bro.
Remember the shit I sent you with the U-turn? I gotta show you merch. The U-turn shaboing boing. It's crazy.
That's pretty good.
Orange?
Yeah.
Oh, the hot dog, 2.
The hot dog good. Mix it with the thing.
Yeah, my orange juice, 10. I don't know. Spain got their orange juice on point for some reason.
They do.
Okay. Got the hard ass bread.
The bread
Hey,
never
by the
be
way,
soft, bro.
this video ain't no disrespect to anybody Spanish that's watching. I'm just being funny. I ain't gonna lie, the food don't be hitting like that all the time. Mmm. 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 Now the bread actually is good. It's warm. The bread, 8.2. The bread, 8.2. Alright, fruit. You can't fuck up fruit. It's pretty hard.
You'd be surprised. They have done it all.
Nah, yeah, in the CS should be fucking up fruit. Bad.
You don't like the chicken medium rare?
I'm about to disown you. All together. The fruit, 10. Or at least the oranges was.
You already knew that though. The oranges out here, 1 point.
You know what? I will give y'all credit. The oranges in Spain do be on point though. I did a tour in Sevilla, and they was telling me like, you don't eat the oranges off the tree because they're like the king's fruit.
Yeah.
So that's why there be so many oranges and like lemons on the trees and stuff. Because nobody wants to eat them because technically the king owns them.
I be forgetting this a kingdom.
Nah, yeah.
It's still cooking up.
That is good. Bacon, 7.9.
You run a hard burger in here.
Yeah. What you think, bro?
It's good breakfast, honestly.
Yeah, but what's your rating though?
5.
Say a little louder.
Huh?
Say a little louder.
5.
Merch say this shit ass. No, let me stop.
No, it's just a balanced breakfast. Like, it's nothing
Nah.
like really overwhelming. It's just
That's not bad. Merch rated a 5. What you rated, Cheesy? 4. Solid 4. Alright, y'all. So we are in Ikea looking around. Me, Merch, TC. And y'all won't fucking. Excuse my language. Y'all won't believe. Y'all won't believe what just. Bro, look. I was literally putting up my tray. Putting up my tray, y'all. And when I put up my tray, the orange juice bottle fell off. It got on my shirt. But we don't care today. It is what it is. We don't keep pushing. I wasn't gonna change my shirt, but I don't even give it. I don't even care at this point. I'll change my shirt later on after we get out this stuff. But yeah, I just had to tell y'all that, man. It's just crazy. It's crazy. It's crazy how life works sometimes. Stain on the shirt. I hope y'all can see it, bro. Look at that. The stain on the shirt is nasty work at 12 o'clock. I'm super annoyed now. Super annoyed.
You're buying a shower?
Nah, me neither. I mean, but we'll figure it out on the way.
It's right here, bro.
Yeah, I need that. I need that for sure. Alright, y'all. So far in Ikea, the main things I've gotten is a orange stain on the shirt, some pillows. Like I said, like the house is coming together surely but slowly. I'm mainly just looking for accent pieces right now, y'all. So just to bring everything together, make it real warm, real comfy for when guests come over. As y'all know, I'm pretty sure I do the same thing for y'all home, or well, for your home that you stay in now as well. So, but it's coming along. But yeah, the IKEA here is nice too. It looks similar to the one in America, but the only difference is nothing's in English. Maybe only a few things.
What you looking at?
This wine rack right here. You see? Yeah, I think I want that wine rack right there, y'all. It's pretty nice. To be determined, though. I like this. Alright, y'all. So we are still in Ikea right now. Right now, we're just looking, soul searching, trying to figure out what we want, trying to get a better idea of what to get. I'm just going from here, y'all. But I ain't gonna lie, the IKEA pretty much looks the same from here in America, though, honestly. It's not a big significant difference. Is there anything else? Oh, that's what I need. Those fucking pan joints. So it don't burn your counter up. So you put your hot pans on there so it doesn't burn your counter. Even though the counters are marble, but it still can mess them up over time. Hey, did you tell them to come get an oven for that one spot? Yeah, y'all. Here's some IKEA though. Nothing too crazy. See, that's what I was asking you. Like, y'all, if y'all don't know what fear of frustration looks like, it's bad timing. It's TC. Where you?
I don't know. What is my name?
Where you going? All right, y'all. We're in IKEA. Still. Apparently, I missed a part. of the furniture. Oh no. Oh, I see. Okay. Yeah, so I missed a part of the furniture, y'all. So I'm here getting this piece of the furniture so I can check out. Didn't spend as much as I thought I would, but overall the IKEA pretty much look the same as America for the most part. But I'll tap with y'all in a second. Peace. All right, y'all. We have overcame. We have conquered. We spent a whole lot of money. So did Mertz.
Yeah.
TC, she ain't spent so much. But I don't know if I can see the back. But we got a lot of bullshit in there. Thank God for coming along with me to IKEA in Spain. Much love to y'all. Be safe.